Now we have a third problem here. In this case, our problem is the integral of x cubed plus 2 over x squared minus 4 dx. The issue with this is this is not a proper fraction. In order to perform integration by partial fractions, we need to have proper fractions. So in order to introduce that proper fraction, we'll use long division, which, as we'll see in just a minute, will produce a regular function and our fraction. So if you'll remember, in long division, we divide x squared minus 4 into x cubed plus 2. X squared goes into x cubed x times. We perform our subtraction, just as with regular long division, and find out that we're left with a remainder of 4x plus 2. The 4x plus 2 will then just go over our denominator here. This implies that we can rewrite our fraction as the integral of x dx plus the integral of 4x plus 2 over x squared minus 4 dx. What we do next is treat those integrals separately. I don't think that I need to go over very much how to do the integral of x dx. We'll see that in just a second. But we will use partial fractions to solve the second part of the integral there. X squared minus 4 breaks up into two factors, x minus 2 and x plus 2. And we'll use our method as before to find out that a times x plus 2 plus b times x minus 2 is equal to 4x plus 2. The first factor that we want to try is x is equal to 2. When we plug that in, we found out that 4a is equal to 10 and a is equal to 5 halves. X is equal to negative 2 then produces for us the fact that negative 4b is equal to negative 6 and b is 3 halves. So, altogether, we have the integral of x dx plus the integral of 4x plus 2 over x squared minus 4 dx is equal to the integral of x dx plus 5 halves of the integral of dx over x minus 2 plus 3 halves of the integral of dx over x plus 2. And integrating each part, we get x squared over 2 plus 5 halves natural log of x minus 2 plus 3 halves natural log of x plus 2 plus c as our antiderivative. In short, if we see that the degree in the numerator is equal to or more than the degree in the denominator, then we do not have a proper fraction and we will need to use long division or some other method to try to figure out how that fraction improper breaks down.